Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial number 7 we are going to discuss about Revolve command. Okay, let's get into the session. Next we will see about Revolve boss. For this two things are more important than sketch. First one is profile and the second one is axis line. Based on the axis line our profile will revolve around it. For better understanding of further Revolve types, I have created two 3D geometries by Revolve and Extrude command. So next we see about up to vertex. In this we can be able to control the area of rotation by vertex points. Next we see about up to surface. In this we can be able to control the area of rotation by the selected surface. Next we see about offset from surface. In this we can be able to control the area of rotation by the selected surface along with some required distance. We can modify those distance values. Next we see about midplane. In this we can be able to control the area of rotation in both the direction equally. Next we see about second direction. In this we can be able to control the area of rotation independently, in both the direction as much as required. Its types are similar to the direction one as we seen before. Next we see about thin feature. In this we can create thickness to our body. In one direction, we can give thickness on any of the side of sketch. In midplane, we can give thickness to the sketch equally on both sides. In two direction, we can give variable thickness to the sketch on both sides. Now we see about selected contours and Revolve command. Before that I need to show here I have two profile in one sketch and one profile on one sketch. The purpose of selected contours is to select the required profile from the multiple profile sketch to Revolve. Let me show you. But it won't accept the profile from other sketch. We can perform number of Revolve feature from the multiple profile single sketch. Hello friends. Hope you got a better understanding about Revolve command. If you like my video, kindly support me by subscribing. Thank you.